Start. Learned counsel for the appellant submitted that the accident took place not because of negligence but because the appellant tried to save the lives of children who were playing on the road, and therefore the truck climbed on the stones by the side of the road and its rod was broken. Stop. It was also submitted that the appellant has already suffered custody of more than 9 months and therefore the sentence should be restricted to the period already undergone. Stop para. Learned counsel for the state, on the other hand, submitted that rash and negligent driving has resulted in the death of 4 persons and several others were seriously injured. Stop para. Section 304-A carves out a specific offence where death is caused by doing a rash or negligent act and that act does not amount to culpable homicide under section 299 or murder under section 300. Stop. If a person willfully drives a motor vehicle into the midst of a crowd and thereby causes death to some person, it will not be a case of mere rash and negligent driving and the act will amount to culpable homicide. Stop. Doing an act with the intent to kill a person or knowledge that doing an act was likely to cause a person's death is culpable homicide. Stop. When the intent or knowledge is a direct motivating force of the act, section 304A has to make room for the graver and more serious charge of culpable homicide. Stop. The provision of this section is not limited to rash or negligent driving. Stop. Any rash or negligent act whereby death of any person is caused becomes punishable. Stop. Two elements, either of which or both of which may be proved to establish the guilt of an accused, are rashness / negligence, a person may cause death by a rash or negligent act which may have nothing to do with driving at all. Stop. Negligence and rashness to be punishable in terms of section 304A must be attributable to a state of mind wherein the criminality arises because of no error in judgment but of a deliberation in the mind risking the crime as well as the life of the person who may lose his life as a result of the crime. Stop. Section 304A discloses that criminality may be that apart from any mens rea, there may be no motive or intention, still a person may venture or practice such rashness or negligence which may cause the death of other. Stop. The death so caused is not the determining factor. Stop.